I don't know. I was trying to think of like something funny or nice to do. I don't know. I'm weird. It's nighttime. I'm a little bit cuckoo. Okay, anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today I did just an eye and a lip tutorial. I did this pretty glam look right here. It's really pretty. I'm so in love with this look. I just felt inspired by the chocolate gold palette. I know I just did an IG tutorial on it recently, but I did more of neutrals, and I haven't had any time to play yet with the green color, and it really was drawing me. And I don't know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do like a cut crease, and then I did the green, and then I went winged out, and then I put the gold, and the gold is so pop. And I don't know, it's super cute, and I actually love this look so much. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. So my eyelids are already primed, and I'm gonna take the first color in the palette, Rolling in Dough, and just kind of spreading it all over to set the concealer. Then taking So Bougie, I'm going to start working this into the crease as our transition color. Using windshield swiping motions. I think this is a shade called Chocolate Truffle, and we're going to start working this into the crease as well and right under So Bougie. Doing the same type of motions and kind of just pulling it out further because I want that pulled out, elongated effect. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to start cutting out the crease and just starting it by on my actual eyelid and following it out. And then I'm going to look up to sort of guide me where exactly I need to cut the crease. And I'm also going to pull the concealer out, giving it a winged effect and bringing it just underneath on my lower lash line as well. You're also going to start working in that green shade and leaving just a little line on the crease and bringing down the green shade under where you had put the concealer. We're going to want to pull this in a little bit halfway to kind of simulate kind of like a half cut crease type of look. But I only did the concealer just to give that green that extra punch. Now it's time for the gold shade, and my goodness, is this gold pigmented. Like, wow, you didn't have to spray the brush, nothing. I just dipped into it and started putting it on my eyelid, and my goodness, was I shocked at how gold this shade was. Now I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Diamond Dust, and I'm just spreading this on top of the gold, and then taking sort of like a flat eyeshadow brush to kind of spread it out where the gold was, just to kind of give it this nice little glittery effect, and you just see the gold pop underneath. So I thought it was super pretty, and it's just amazing, you know. So here I'm just taking the gold color from the palette again and dipping into it with a eyeliner brush and kind of just tracing on that line that I left in between the crease shades and the green to just give it this added like effect to it. And then I also underlined underneath the green onto my bottom lash line to give it this really nice pop of color. Taking the shade Rich Girl, I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner of my eye and also on my brown bone. Realize that I totally suck at this voiceover stuff. I'm really sorry, just bear with me. But here I'm taking the Spice MAC lip liner, and I'm just overlining just the middle on the bottom and just the middle on my upper, and then I'm going to follow my natural lip line to achieve a fuller effect but not make myself look like a clown. Also adding some contour, so what I'm doing is just the middle of my bottom lip and on the sides to kind of just plump it out and kind of fake some like Angelina Jolie. You know how her bottom lip is kind of like super full, but the middle pieces are like fuller, so that's what I'm trying to mimic. And then I also do a top cross because I feel like it also gives that fuller effect as well. Also, what I think I was trying to do here was just normally shade in the inner corners like I usually would do with lip liner. But I know for this look, I realized I didn't have a
lipstick that I kind of wanted to go with it, so I ended up just filling out my whole entire lip with this. But what I did was just fill out the outer corners harshly, and then in the middle I just sort of filled them in like lightly so it didn't take away from the contour that I added. So here is the Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss in Leslie. I'm just going to be applying this into the middle of my bottom and the middle of my upper lip to add that fuller effect, and you get that by not placing it all over, just on the middle. And there you guys have it, some Alien Bay realness going on. I'm sorry that my voiceover was horrible. I hope you guys still liked it anyways. Please like, share, subscribe if you did, and I hope you have a good day or night. Mwah! Love you guys.